Instantiate a game object in Unity. Now we will learn how to destroy a game object in Unity. So basically this is the instantiate where we are instantiating as cube with a space. So this is the with when we are pressing the space, that time we are instantiating the cube according to its position and identity. Now this is a short video of how to destroy a game object in Unity. So basically let's write a function destroy. It's very easy code. So yeah, the spelling mistake is it. So yeah, destroy. I have to change the class name, write the spelling accordingly. So basically, so we are destroying the game object according to the time. So basically, we are first of all we are giving the time when to destroy. So basically, this is a float, or you can write int also. So how much will be the time? Destroy time. So basically we are giving it 3f. So the time will be 3 seconds. After 3 seconds it will destroy. So basically there is nothing to update, so we delete the update function. Everything will happen at start only. So basically the destroy function start with destroy. So basically now the game object which we are destroying. So game object, the destroy time. So yeah, this is the function, and let's go. So this is the destroy time. So basically this, when I attach it into the cube, so I will delete this instantiate. I will create a 3D object cube. So basically this is the cube. So yeah, we will give the destroy function here. So after 3 seconds the cube will destroy. One, two, three, destroyed. Done. So this is how destroy function works. You can do it like this also, like public game object cube. Now instead of this thing, you can write the cube. Now you go there. Just need to attach the game object. Same game object. Now this is when we are creating a destroy separate function, like you are creating an entry game object function where we are attaching everything. So basically destroy function is here. So suppose you are not attaching the game object into the means C# script into game object. Now you can simply drag and drop it here. Now the same thing will happen. You can see. One, two, three. Done. The cube again got destroyed. So yeah, this is how destroy function works. So basically you can attach it to the game object also when you are writing normal game object here, which game object, or you are, suppose it is the clean way is that you are making make a different function of it, attach it there and just assign the game object there. That will be a, for that you just need to define the game object, and that game object you have to keep inside the destroy function, and you have to give the destroy time. So accordingly it will destroy. If you want to know more contents like this, more developing tips like this, follow this game session, and follow the beginner tutorial from first. It is a playlist I have created, so follow it from first for all the beginners out here to learn C# Unity game development. Till then, thank you.